Hey, it's Andy with IT Supplies. The biggest show in printing just took place this month. 1,400 exhibitors and hundreds of thousands of attendees descended on Düsseldorf, Germany to see the latest new trends and technologies in the print world. Today, I'm going to tell you about the new printer unveiling that I'm most excited about. It's the all-new replacement to the greatest eco-solvent printer ever made. Stay tuned. For 8 years, the Epson S80600 has been the best eco-solvent printer in the world. That is a pretty amazing run considering the competition has had since 2015 to catch up. Even now, there isn't an eco-solvent printer that can compare to the print quality, productivity, and reliability of the 9-color SureColor S80600. So, when Epson Europe displayed a brand new eco-solvent printer in their booth at Drupa, the whole world was paying attention. Today, we'll show you what we saw at Drupa, and we'll tell you what we know and what we don't know about the newest Epson eco-solvent printer unveiling. So let's start with what we don't know and get that out of the way. What's the name of the printer? We don't know. What's the availability of the printer? We don't know, probably at least a year out. What's the cost of the printer? Well, it's $17,995 with the option. No, of course, we don't know the cost of the printer yet, guys. Are there multiple versions with different ink sets? We don't know. How fast is it? What RIPs support it? What print head does it use? Does it come with ink? Don't know, don't know, don't know, don't know. So what do we know? The width of the printer is 64 inches wide, same as the current Epson eco-solvent printers. The ink set is 10 colors, all of the same inks as the current S80 plus a green ink. So CMYK, gray, light magenta, light cyan, red, orange, and green. This should be the largest gamut eco-solvent printer ever made. And it also has an optional white ink. We know that the inks will come in click and print bags that are held in an integrated bulk ink cabinet. We know that the new eco-solvent printer embodies the driving Epson philosophy of efficient, compact, and precise innovation. These three pillars are Epson's, but I think the fourth pillar should be sexy. The form factor is significantly smaller than the current Epson generation. There's no doubt that the new eco-solvent printer is much more compact than the current options. The printer will load from the rear, similar to the current eco-solvent generation, and the printer will use the 4.3-inch touchscreen that's found in all of the new Epson SureColor printers. So that's about all we know about the newest Epson eco-solvent printer unveiling at Drupa this month. There is so much we don't know yet, but I promise there is not another YouTube channel on the planet that will give you more up-to-date content about the new S-Series that Epson is bringing to the market. It's an exciting time. We'd love to have you subscribe to the channel for more updates as we learn more about this new printer. Thanks for watching and have a great day.